Hello everyone, welcome to Hoston Spinning. Today we are going to show you our latest design, single roller CNC metal spinning machine WLL-SRS650. It's equipped with Siemens A2AD CNC controller and is matched with FANUC robots. This machine can support precise and fully automatic metal spinning production. First, let's talk about the fully enclosed design. Traditional open machines produce lots of oil mist and dust. They make the workshop dirty and noisy. Our full cover works with a Taiwanese oil mist collector. It removes more than 95% of oil mist. This design keeps your workshop clean, reduces noise and stops metal chips from splashing. Production is safer and more environmentally friendly. The advantage of this machine is the fully automatic FANUC robot system. We use original FANUC Archmate 100ID robot hand. It has a loading capacity of 12 kg and 1,441 mm working range. The repeat positioning accuracy is 0.02 mm. The robot runs fast and accurately. It avoids errors from manual loading and unloading and keeps all products in constant quality. The whole production process is fully automatic, including loading, unloading, spinning, oil mist cleaning, and discharging. This machine supports long-time unattended work. It saves labor costs and improves production speed. It's very suitable for high-precision mass production. We also provide a variety of optional upgrades of this machine. You can freely select different functions based on your processing needs to further stabilize production and improve workpiece quality. First, the optional pneumatic positioning device. It automatically centers raw materials. No manual adjustment is needed during mass production, saving your working time. Second, the optional hydraulic hold plate. It prevents thin metal parts from bending or cracking during spinning. Besides, you can choose the heating device and the spindle oil cooling system as an upgrade. The heating function makes hard and brittle metals much easier to spin. The oil cooling system keeps the spindle temperature stable, ensuring accurate part sizes. In addition, the optional automatic oil spray system provides even lubrication for smoother workpiece surfaces. Also, you can upgrade with the pressing tool system to flatten and strengthen finished parts. Finally, you can add the electrical cabinet cooling system for stable long-time operation. In short, the WLL-SRS650 uses the Siemens system for stable precision and FANUC robot arm for full automation. With a fully enclosed, safe and clean design, it brings you high precision, high efficiency, and labor-saving production. If you are interested in our machines, welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc or subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next time!